Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. Now today we will discuss next topic, that is comparison of numbers. What we have to do, two digits are given. We have to compare which one is the greater and which one is the smallest. When all number have different numbers of digit, then number with more number of digit is a larger. For example, this is the 3047 and this is the 3048. First we have to compare with the next third digit. This is the 47 and this is the 48. Which is the greatest number? That is 3048. So basically this is the comparison of the digits. So which one is the greater number? That is 3048. Now move to the next, that is example 45,674, and one more example, that is 9,432. What we have to do, which one is the greatest? That is ones, tens, 100,000. It will be 9,432. But in this, that is 45,674. Which one is the greatest? 45,674. Now move to the next, that is 9,036 and 84,532. Which one is the greater? This is the 4-digit number and this is the 5-digit number. So basically which one is the greatest? That is 84,532. Now move to the next, that is case number second. When all number have a same number of digit, when we find the larger and the smaller in this step, write the number one below the other in place value chart. Now you can see this is the 97,843 and this one is the 97,543. Now basically what we have to do, students, 97,843 and this digit, that is 97,543. You can see ones digit same, tens digit same, 100 digit different, then 1,000 digit same, and 10,000 digit same, but 100 place value is different. It will be 8 and it will be 5. Now we have to tell what is the greatest digit. That is 97,843. Why? Because 8 bada hai as compared to 5. So basically which one is the greatest? That is 97,843. Now move to the next. That is compare the columns from the left to right. So we have to compare 1,000 and 10,000. Both are same, but 100 columns are different. 10 columns same and 1's column same. When we stop the comparison on the basis of the last result and decide the greater or smaller number, we have to check the place values. तो हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? हम प्लेस वैल्यू को चेक करेंगे. वंस सेम, टेंस सेम, but 100 place value is different. So which one is the greater? That is 97,843 is the greater. Now move to the next example number 1. Again we have to do comparison. That is 38,427 and 38,472. Now we have to do comparison. This is 72 and this is 27. Which one is the greatest? 38,427 and 38,472. So students, ones and tens digit are different. 100,000 and 10,000 values are the same, but 27 is greater or 72 is greater. 38,472 is greater. I hope you understand this concept. आपको समझ आया होगा. Okay students, you can see 27 and 72 and rest of the digits are the same. ये देख सकते हो, same same same, but 7 और 2 में comparison किया जाए, which one is the greater? 7. So basically ones और tens की digit difference है, that is why 38,472 is greater. Now move to the next, that is again we have to do circle the greatest and the smallest number. क्या करना है हमको? Basically we have to check which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest. Let's start. Again you have to write chapter 1, page number 8, that is do yourself. First one is, that is 4,543. Next one is, that is 2,345. Then 6,792 and 5,432. So basically what we have to tell, the greatest number. The greatest number, that is 6,792, and the smallest number, that is 2,345. So you have to write the greatest number, that is 6,792, and the smallest number, smallest number, that is 2,345. Now if you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next part, that is example number 2. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Now move to the next example, that is 94,341, 20,000, 54,032 and 60,491. Now we have to tell which one is the greatest. So greatest number, that is 94,341, and the smallest number, that is 20,000. क्योंकि बाकी सब नंबर क्या है? 60,491, 54,032, 20,000 and 94,341. So this is the greatest and this is the smallest. Now move to the next example, that is example third part, that is 20,340 and 54,032 and 15,629, 24,592. Now we have to tell which one is the greatest number. That is greatest number, that is 54,032, and the smallest number, that is, this is 24,592, 15,629, 54,032, and this is 20,340. So smallest number, that is 15,629. This is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. Now if you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next. That is, compare the following by using less than and greater than and equals to sign. Take the screenshot fast. Okay, move to the next. Compare the following by using less than, greater than and equals to sign. First one is 4,505 and 67,943. Which one is the greater? That is 67,943. Now 9,456, 9,456. Both are same. We will use equals to sign. Now move to the next, that is 84,345 and 80,043. So students, ये है 80,043 and 84,345. So this one is the greater. Now move to the next, that is 54,390 and 95,430. So students, this is 95 and this is 54. Which one is the greater? That is 95,430. Now move to the next, that is 67,845 and 84,345. Which one is the greatest? This is 67 and this is the 84. So basically, which one is the greater? That is 84,345. Now move to the last part, that is 98,450 and 98,450. So student, 98,450 and 98,450. Both are same. We will use equals to sign. Now if you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next, that is ascending order and descending order of the number. Okay, move to the next, that is ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? It means smallest to greatest. छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर तक, smallest to greatest. Ascending order of a numbers is writing the numbers from smallest to greatest. That is 7,250, then 7,265, then 45,049, 48,751, and then 60,000. Now move to the next example, that is arrange the given number in ascending order. So 243, 7,543, 545 and 20,021. तो सबसे पहले आएगा 243, then 545, then 7,543 and then 20,021. This is the smallest to greatest, that is the ascending order. Now move to the next, that is descending order. What is the descending order? It means greatest to smallest. Again, 86,352, 85,235, 82,431 and 80,243. So ये किस फॉर्म में स्टूडेंट्स? In ascending order. It means greatest to smallest. Now move to the next example, that is example number 4. Arrange the given number in descending order. We have to arrange in descending order. It means greatest to smallest. First one, that is 986, 6,421, 14,176, 6,429, 979 and the last one is that is 87,346. तो हमें which one is the greatest number? That is 87,346, then 14,176, then 6,429, then 6,421 and 986 and the last one is that is 979. So this is the descending order and ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? It means smallest to greatest. And what is the descending order? It means greatest to smallest. Okay students, in our next video we will start exercise 1.1. That's all for today. Thank you class.